Hey, it's Glen from Warmboard here, and I'm in beautiful Upper Saddle River, New Jersey, Bergen County at a project here. And today we're going to run in and see what's going on with the hardwood floor, which the installation starts today. Remember at Warmboard, everything happens like over traditional plywood. So with hardwood installations, staple and glue, like traditional hardwoods go down over plywood. Nothing different, all the same. Obviously, we're avoiding the tubes, and we do our best to design the Warmboard panel layout so that the hardwood will go down perpendicular to the tubing whenever possible. Now remember, the beautiful thing about Warmboard is it's a low water temperature system, so therefore hardwood, things like wide plank and exotic species of wood really is an option with Warmboard, which you rarely see over any other radiant system. Remember, with Warmboard, hardwood is your friend. No concerns, no worries, no trepidation. Just go ahead and choose what you want. Movement isn't going to be any different than a forced air home.